What are you doing?
I'm eating.
And picking your foods.
Yes.
So, linis ka na ng mga foods mo. Lagay mo na sa lagayan. What's that?
Burger.
Wow, burger. Ano yung mga foods mo? You have macaroni. And
Lollipop.
oh, you have a bundle of fruits. Look at this. What's food? What fruits inside?
We have apple.
Hmm.
We have pineapple.
Yes.
We have pear.
Yes.
We have grape.
Okay.
We have the apple again.
Okay.
We have a banana with a face.
Oh, with a face. Oh, he's smiling.
Oh, no.
Dami.
I'm lazy. I'm not that fat.
What other foods you have?
I want this.
Grill.
Yes.
Magi-grill ka. Wow. Shh. Grill. Barbecue grill. Balik mo muna yung mga foods mo. Ay, dog yan dyan. Doon mo lagay siya sa basket.
Wait.
Ihiwalay mo siya. Ilagay mo siya sa ilalim ng ano. Ako na magliligpit niyan.
Okay. Where's the bone here?
Burger.
I don't want chocolate. I want donut.
Donut. Say bye-bye na. To our channel. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.